Accidents can happen anywhere, at any time. If you were first on the scene, the question is, would you know what to do? This is First Response, a revolutionary talking first aid solution, combining step-by-step audio guidance with colour-coded written instructions and easy-to-follow illustrations. It provides those with limited or no experience of first aid with the skills and knowledge they need during those critical minutes before professional help arrives. First aid instructions are played at the push of a button.
Put gloves on and hold the burned area.
And flipping the matching colour tab in the manual finds the corresponding page,
Cover all burned areas.
enabling the user to carry out initial assessments and basic life-saving procedures.
Place your second hand directly on top of the first hand.
The handheld device is colour-coded and simple to use. Switch on and press First Checked to begin,
Ensure the area is safe.
or select one of the procedure buttons.
Shock can accompany
Pause
any
the audio
injury.
at any time by pressing the
Signs and
Pause and Resume
symptoms of
button. The paused sentence restarts from the beginning when Pause and Resume is pressed again to ensure the instructions are clearly understood and no steps are missed.
And clammy skin.
Restart the audio at any time by pressing the
Shock
Procedure
can
button.
accompany any injury.
First Response can also be used as a learning resource. Use it to practice those important procedures, so you are prepared and ready to act when someone needs your help. First Response covers a series of steps for 6 medical emergencies: performing CPR on adults and children, how to control bleeding, how to treat burns, and shock, and how to help someone who is choking. You can rely on the Talking First Aid Kit to give you the knowledge and to guide you through those stressful moments during an emergency. First Response. We'll talk you through it.